It's Brandon with Cart Nation. If you're ready to stretch your limits in regards to luxury, performance, and style, the Halo XL is going to be perfect for you. Let's take a look. As you can see, the Halo XL stretches the limits in regards to luxury, performance, and style. And as always, it's brought to you by Whisper Even.